will show you how to change the turbines in your handpieces. Now frequently when you are running a dental operation, as you know, those handpieces die out, after 6 months to a year. The burr's running funny, the water's not coming out, it's making a screeching sound, all those things happen. And then what do? You end up sending those handpieces off to like a big company, like maybe Henry Schein, Patterson, or whoever you do business with, and they will make that change of the turbine and send you back with a big fat bill. So instead of going that route, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to do this all on your own. You can buy the turbine and change it out. So let's proceed to this. I actually do have a handpiece that's not turning anymore. It stalls and then the burr is really shaky. This one just happens to be a Henry Schein brand, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it and change out the turbine, which I also went online and bought myself. And you can do the same with any brand of handpiece. Most of the handpieces will come with like a little tube to open the back end of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn that, and then you can hang turn it, and inside is the turbine. You can go ahead, use something to push it out, maybe just a probe, pop that out, and there we go. That's the turbine. Put that to the side, and I have a brand new one, so I'm gonna go ahead. Okay. It comes with a dummy burr in here, and we just go ahead and put that in. Now it does have a little dot here and a dot here. We just line those dots up, so there'll be some kind of an indication how it goes in, and in this case there are these dots. I line them up, push it in, and then you can hand tighten that end cap first, like so, and then use that handy dandy tool and go ahead and tighten that end cap just a little bit. There we go. And it's as simple as that. You have a handpiece that's gonna last you another 6 months to a year, depending on how many times it gets sterilized. Now keep in mind, these do have to be oiled ever so often. But anyways, I hope this will save you some money and headache, and you can do it as easily as I did that. Thank you for watching.